If you like these trades, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos on how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you do have any other questions, just leave them in the comments below. So I took this short. We were right here at the half back. You can see this cutout in the volume profile. So I was looking at that, and I don't want any acceptance into this volume node up here. But I have a feeling we're going to retrace this entire range from yesterday. I'm just looking for this to get back into this range. And what I don't want is any acceptance into this area. We get up in here, I'll close the trade. My first target would be this market profile POC down here, somewhere in this level, probably 510. Need to move those targets. We'll go 511. The next target would be the POC down at 95. I think the POC is at 93, but we'll go 95. We need this D period to come down, break C, obviously. Put in some basic references. $25.25 was the entry. There. Stop, which doesn't matter. You'd never take a loss on this trade at this point. My first target's down here at 511. I'm gonna watch and see what kind of bounce you're getting off this. But I think we're good. That'd be 40 ticks. Wait, no, that'd be 57 ticks to here. Got confused by the, better change this. There. We did break this C now. I think this is looking pretty good. And our other target's all the way down here at, I put it at 95, just to front run this overnight low here. We even get close down here again, I'll take it. You can see how that POC shifted. There's 48 ticks. I'll take that for now. That gets us down to our one contract left. And you just kind of pick, how much of this would you be willing to give up? There, it went right to our target. Usually what I need to do is just give up one contract and it'll. So let's, how much of this are we going to give up? We're at 58 ticks now. I think you have to bring your stop way down. So we are coming off this POC from overnight. I'm holding this one because I believe that we're going to break this and move farther down to this at least the volume area low here, or hit the overnight low. Otherwise, there's no way I would be holding this right now. If we did get up into this area, you could actually add another contract and put your stop up over D. Might actually get a chance to do that. So our stop would go back up to 2350. We got to look at 1925 or so. I just really think we're going to make it to that POC. That's what we've been doing the last 3-4 days. So I don't like being locked into this POC because it's going to hold us there. It's going to have a tendency to, trade around this. So it is going to take some selling pressure to push us away from that. Move the stop up here. Just it's there. Might get a chance to add a contract to this. Stay right in there. I want to be above this D period. So now let's see if we get down in this area, see what kind of action we get. If it, just barely makes its way down here, it might take one here again. Or if it's really pushing, see if we can take both of them all the way to the POC or, some of these levels. I'll leave this order here for 1175. Take that one. Or back to one. See if we can break this, or I might just close out of this position totally. Now you can bring your stop down again. Really think this is going to break, but I have been wrong before. Okay, you have a weekly um, volume area low down here at 95. So it's basically right here. So we'll want to take it before that. I think they'll be aiming for this overnight low. I think we'll be okay, but we'll probably end up taking it. Maybe we'll take it at 500. We'll at least move the stop down real tight if we get into that area. So in 2020 hindsight, it's obvious that what I should have done is sold that 58 ticks at the beginning there and just resold it at the top. But I had no idea that it was going to bounce that high. And I was really focused on the fact that it was going to, it was going to break and make it to the lows that I wanted to get to. When it did bounce back, I think I made the most of that by selling another contract and then buying that one back again. And then the way it didn't break at the end there, I wasn't going to let it snap back on me again. You'll see in the next video, I did a continuation trade after this trade that will show you how I took advantage of that. And it actually did cycle back up. And then it did make it to my final target. I'll link that to the description in this video. I want it to break here, otherwise I'll close it. If it's going to cycle up, I can always re-enter. It's just having such a hard time breaking this. I want to break right here, otherwise we'll get out. We'll even lock this one in at the 1075. There, we're equal. Move this down. So we're either going to break it or we're going to get out of this. And we broke that A period. We got a little extra room back up to our 10. Just let's try and if you like these trades, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos on how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you do have any other questions, just leave them in the comments below. Yep. Take it here at 40 ticks. Move this down. Comfortable taking that. It's not going to break. Yep, we'll take it right there. Good trade.